guys, and welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy, and step-by-step dance tutorials. Alright, so today I'm going to do a dance tutorial on how to do the broken clock Woah dance challenge on TikTok. And this is a short dance, so it's going to be a short tutorial for once. And thank you, Cole, for requesting this awesome dance. Alright, let's just jump right into it. I'm going to do it step by step in slow motion so that you can all follow along. Alright, so left arm up here to your chest. Then you want to bring your right arm up like that. Yeah, so right is on the outside, left is on the inside. And you want to have your elbow here somewhere in the center so that you can do this easily. If you didn't, then you won't be able to do the same here, right? So remember, elbows. Here you want to say left, the one that's on the inside goes up, whoop. Now you want to continue with your right, the one that is on the outside, around. You want to do a full circle here. You want to say clap. And then the left one continues, whoop, do a full circle. And remember to keep this on the outside, so here, right? And keep your elbows closed, whoop. Now the right continues, down, it's on the inside. So from here, I just did. Now I can really continue, right? So let's just do it from the beginning. Remember, left arm, right arm on the outside. I want to start with my left, the one that's on the inside. I want to go start, click, right continues, around, here. I want to come up and clap, clap, left continues, around, and remember to keep your elbows close here. And the left is on the outside. Click, now continue with the one on the inside, the right one, sorry. Down here. Yeah, so maybe we should speed up a bit. So from the beginning, right is on the outside, left is on the inside. I want to start with my left, saying up, click, one full circle here. I want to clap, boop, continue with my left, left on the outside, remember. Click, right on the inside continues, stop. Yeah, so I want to do it fast from here, right on the outside. I want to go top, around, click, stop. Now, with the dance challenge, you want to go backwards. Yeah, so you just continue to the opposite side. Boom, stop. And then you want to do start. Yeah, so this is actually where we started. So we want to say left, right goes here, around. Then I want to say clap. Now here, when the left one goes down and reaches the bottom, you want to do the whoa. Yeah, so you want to say, let's go back from here. So I already did this, whoop, 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 and then I do it backwards. Now from here, the last one, you go left here, right continues, around, full circle, say clap, and then when this left reaches the bottom, you want to say whoa. And basically just want to say wiggle to give the effect. And then you want to say stop, maybe sit. So, boom. So again, let's just do the last part. So remember, right on the outside, left on the inside, left starts, so I'm going left, click, right, around, one full circle, clap. When left reaches the bottom, you wanna say whoa. Alright guys, let's do it from the tip to the top. So remember, right on the outside, left on the inside, left start, so I'm gonna say left, click, right full circle, around, getting ready to clap. Left continues, here, around, remember to keep this on the outside, whoop, right, stops here, and then you want to go backwards, so right goes up again, whoop, left goes around, up, and say clap, right continues, circle, 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 remember to keep your elbows closed, and whoop, here. Now the last one that goes up, whoop, right, around, and clap. When this one reaches the bottom, you wanna say, whoa. Alright guys, now you just need to practice it over and over again. And remember, you can always go back and change your YouTube speed setting if you think I'm going too slow or too fast. So that's it for this dance tutorial on how to do the broken clock Woah dance challenge on TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.